Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, today I am back with new video. In this video you see such a beautiful Christmas decoration ideas. You will love this video because these centerpieces are very beautiful and adorable. All the centerpieces are colorful and pretty. All my ideas are amazing. I hope so you will love this video. So keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos. Subscribe my channel also and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.